children, today I am going to teach you a new topic from your writing skill, that is picture composition. Have you heard the quote, every picture tells us a story? That is exactly what we are going to learn. We are going to write stories looking at some pictures. Writing stories in this manner is a lot of fun. So let us begin it. A picture composition is a description of a picture. That is, we are going to write a paragraph about what all we can see in the given picture. A picture composition involves writing sentences based on a given picture. Means you'll have a picture in front of you and वो पिक्चर में आपको क्या क्या मिला, मीन्स आपने क्या देखा, according to that you have to frame the sentences. A picture composition requires the writer to carefully observe the given picture and describe it in the form of a composition, means in a paragraph, having meaningful sentences. Now, let us learn the steps to write a picture composition or how to write a picture composition. First of all, carefully observe the pictures. Observe the things or actions you can see there. Note down your observations as points in a logical order. That means in an order which you feel that the things are happening over there. Imagine the scene and try to frame sentences. Select a suitable title based on the imaginary theme you have made for pictures. Write the title at the top of the paragraph as a heading. Look at this picture. What is it depicting? It is depicting a sunrise. So, think of a beautiful title for it. Yes, a beautiful sunrise can be a suitable title, or you can also choose a title in our own too. Once the title part is done, then you have to start framing sentences to form a paragraph. Begin the paragraph a little away from the margin. Write all the sentences in the paragraph following a logical sequence or order. Do not write individual sentence, means पहले कौन सा सेंटेंस आना चाहिए और उसके बाद कौन सा आना चाहिए वही हिसाब से लिखना है. ट्राई टू इनकॉर्पोरेट all your observations in the paragraph. That means try to write everything that you can see in the picture. Always remember to frame the sentences in present tense. Remember, keen observation is the key to write a picture composition. Means कुछ भी छूटना नहीं चाहिए पिक्चर में. Pictures are always fascinating and every picture has something to tell us about itself. So now let us pick one picture here and see what it is trying to tell us. Wow, what a beautiful scene. Let us now see what this picture is trying to tell us about itself. Observe the picture very carefully and jot down all the points whatever you can see here. Now it is time for us to jot down all our observations. Well, before we move ahead, just have a look at the picture. What do you think it is trying to depict? It is a picnic scene. So the theme of this picture here is picnic. And what are the things you see here? I can see 2 trees here. There are plants also, and there is lush green grass here. Alright? Oh, there are many children here. Let us count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, how many are there? Yes, I can see 8 children are there. There is a chef too. What is he doing there? I think he is cooking something. There is a boy standing there and he is keenly watching what the chef is cooking. There is a pink color mat here. On the mat, I can see some tempting things too. There is a basket. I'm sure it is full of food, jug, plate, and glass too. I can see also some clouds in the sky. And not to forget, there is a boy standing behind the plants. I think he's trying to hide out there. If you can find something else too, just note it down. What have you observed here? Are you getting anything extra in this picture? Well, we have noted down all our observations. Now, I am sure, based on these observations, we will be able to write a picture composition. Yes, here I have written the picture composition for all of you to have a learn. Just go through it once with me and I am sure you will be able to write your own picture composition. To start with, we always have to give a suitable title to the picture composition. And here the title is Picnic. Start writing your paragraph a little away from the margin. Means margin से थोड़ा छोड़ के लिखना है. And here my picture composition is children are out of a picnic. It is a beautiful place. There are 2 coconut trees and a few plants. Lush green grass is all around. There are 7 children enjoying themselves and one is hiding somewhere. There is a chef cooking for them and a boy is learning how to cook. They have put a big tent for themselves. A mat is spread out with a basket, glass, plate and a jug on it. Clouds are also there in the sky. Children are eagerly waiting to eat. One boy is hiding behind the plants. I think the children are having a lovely time. So, this is how you all can frame your own sentences and compose a paragraph out of it. I hope you must have understood it. And please write this picture composition in your grammar notebook. Jai Swaminarayan.